Maintaining the A-10 Warthog is a task of precision. Every component, from the massive gun to the powerful engines,
machined components display precise bore specifications required for a sustained high rate of fire operation. Proper lubrication is essential for the smooth operation of the barrel assembly. Ensure an even coat is applied to the internal surfaces.
Right here, this bearing needs more.
Okay, applying it now. We should check the clearance after.
Make sure the feed aligner is clear.
Roger that. Cycling the drum now.
Check the torque on the 7th barrel.
Reading 250 foot-pounds.
Clear for lubrication.
Watch your clearance on the feed chute.
Almost seated.
Pressure steady.
deep within the hardened shelters, the dedicated maintainers work tirelessly through the night to keep the legendary A-10 Warthog mission ready.
Hand me the 3/4 inch wrench.
The long one or the short one?
The long one, please.
Technical personnel navigate the aircraft's undercarriage to guide the complex lifting vehicle carrying the weapons system.
Bring her up slowly.
Steady, steady, steady.
We're seated. Confirmed.
Check the alignment on barrel 3. Looks good. Torquing the mounts now.
All right, easy now. Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Got it, slow and steady.
Looks good from here. Check the left side panel. It's secure. Powering up the hydraulics now.
The GAU-8/A Avenger cannon muzzle assembly is correctly attached to the low front fuselage of the heavily armored aircraft.
Check the pressure on the main gear. Looks good from here. The sound of these engines is matched only by the precision of the teams maintaining them right here in Oklahoma.
The turbine blades look good, but check the clearance on the low pressure side.
Already on it. The bore scope shows some minor erosion here.
Check the torque on the 5th blade.
Looks good from here. Make a note of it.
The assembly of a modern turbofan engine requires absolute precision. Every tube and sensor must be meticulously placed.
Securing the cowl requires precision. Each fastener must be torqued to exact specifications before the final inspection.
right, that section is secure. Hold on, check the alignment right here, near the cowling.
All right, easy now, keep it steady.
Watch the clearance on the right.
Got it, push.
All right, let's secure the stabilizers and check the pressure levels.
Okay, jack it up another inch. Copy that, watching the gauge. We're clear on this side, keep going.
Keep the tension steady, we're almost there.
Okay, I'm starting the jack sequence now.
Clear on the left.
Check the pressure on auxiliary jack 2.
Reading steady at 80 psi.
All right, confirm the pressure on the main gear.
Reading steady at 5,000.
We need to ensure the wiring harness near the nose gear is secured before the next phase.
I'll have the team double-check the schematics.
We need to inspect the wiring harness behind panel 4.
Copy that. Let's get the bore scope ready. The structural integrity around the fuselage seems compromised. We should check the internal wiring next.
Agreed. Let's look at the schematics for the...
Here in the high-precision workshop, the massive turbine rotor is carefully loaded before the automated repair sequence begins. Here in the hangar, the assembly of the GE-102 is a precise dance. It takes steady hands and
Maintaining these engines requires absolute focus. From the largest fan blade to the smallest fitting, our commitment to detail ensures readiness.
The alignment looks good from here.
Check the secondary coupling over there.